Hello guys, welcome to my channel Vansh, and I am here on day 3. Yes, it's day 3 and I am still alive in my consistency. So today I have completed second lecture of MIT for DSA, and for development I have done postman lecture from Chair Code, and in MIT lecture of MIT second lecture, I learned many things like a static array, linked list, dynamic array, and many more things. And in lecture 1, I remember one great thing that we have to use recursion everywhere, wherever possible, because it can help in reducing time complexity, and it's very good for optimization of code. So we can help companies to make code in a smaller memory. Just like if you use brute force, it will be like accessing many memories. But if we try to get on a optimized code, we can do very good, very well performed monitoring. So in DSA, I have done 2 lectures, and tomorrow I will be doing practice session 1 and next lecture for shorting. So wish me luck, because that's a very hard, and there are many maths problem using just like a log formulas, and many more maths functions are going to use there. Let's go on a web 3. I am studying for my college scholarship, or I gain some interest, literally some interest in web 3 too, because I am studying from a long time web 3 and I am getting some interest. So there are 3 courses in this scholarship program: JS course, second is basic solidity course, third is ethics avalanche course. So first JS course is completed. I have to submit assignment tomorrow, and then solidity course, that's I completed today. That's a very good course, I think, and I learned many things. I learned all basics of solidity language, transaction functions, and many things, type of function, private, public, many things, and I love this thing. Web3 is a very centralized thing. I think it's gonna be future, I think. So in Web3 I completed solidity, and my last course is remaining, so I have to do it within a 7 days of span, studying about college subject like maths, Laplace theorem, and interference, diffraction, many more subjects, and then I have to manage these things too. I have done today recursion in C++. Tomorrow I will do questions on recursion, and I revised STL today also. For today, I think this is enough. I have put my 100% effort today. After this is 10 p.m. Right now. After this, I am gonna write my college assignment too. So thanks for watching. Meet you tomorrow. Jai Hind. Signing off.